Today is your day. You are starting on a journey not against others, but within yourself. You are not afraid, you are ready. Today, you will not be distracted, but laser focused. Your desire, drive, determination, and fire will push you to excel in this industry called healthcare technology management. Your courage lies in your heart, not your body. Every challenge you face today is an opportunity to rise, to unleash the innovator within. Look in the mirror and recognize this great HTM professional staring back at you. You are your greatest competition. Defeat your doubts, conquer your fears, and overcome any technical or logistical obstacle that stands in your way. Some people need haters to motivate them, but all you need is your greatness as your fire. Let your family be your fire. Let your purpose be your fire. You decide the terms of your HTM career. You decide who stays and who goes. If you want more, you must become more. Give more effort, infuse more passion, and you will be rewarded more. Today, you hold the power to transform your dreams into reality. Go forth with confidence and make your mark in the HTM industry. I read something this morning that said, saving the lives of life-saving equipment. Think about that power and responsibility. Today is your day to save a life. One repair at a time, one PM at a time, one service call at a time. Embrace your greatness. You were born for this moment. It's time to share your excellence with the world. Today is your day to do just that.